Yeah, it's good.
First.
Yeah. What's up, guys?
What is up?
What is up?
Welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are the Phys Bros, and today we will be solving 3 high-tech, very difficult physics problems. My name is Samuel Dominic Greco.
I'm Ben Okalita. I'm pumped to solve these problems.
I'm Anthony Zangler, and thanks for checking out the Phys Bros.
Yeah.
Stay tuned to see if we get all 3 problems correct.
What is up, guys? We're back here and we're going to be getting right into number one. Number one is a girl is inside an elevator that is moving upward with a net acceleration of 2.1 meters per second. If the girl has a mass of 45 kilograms, what is her normal force? So the first thing that we're going to do here is draw our picture. So there we go. Center of gravity. We already know that gravity's into consideration right here, so we got negative 9.8 meters. We're trying to find the normal force here, so we're going to be normal force. We'll leave that blank for now. The next thing that we're going to take into consideration is the 45 kilograms. So what I like to do is just put it right here. There we go. So we're trying. Oh, we also have the upward net force of 2.1 meters per second squared. So the next step to this problem is we're going to use the equation of mass times gravity plus mass times acceleration. That's going to give us normal force. So when we do that, it's going to be 45 times 9.8 plus 45 times 2.1. That's going to come out to 535.5. Don't forget newtons, N for your units. And there we go. We just found out the normal force of the girl. Thank you.
What's up, guys? It's Ben, and today we got some exciting stuff. We're going to be diving into problem number 2. Alright, so during 5th period, Dylan was a beast. She resisted the forces applied by 13 students in her class all at once. Her 13 classmates tried to knock Dylan over, each applying a force of 17 newtons, and she still didn't budge. How much force was Dylan pushing back with? And how many people would it take to push Dylan if she can withstand a force of 300 newtons? Alright, guys, so first things first, we have to draw our object, which is Dylan, with the center of gravity in the middle. And we do know that she has normal force because she's standing on Earth, and then she also has gravity pulling her down. And then there's applied force by her classmates. It's 17 newtons, and there's 13 people. And this gives us 221 newtons of force going this way. And because there's 221 newtons of force going this way, there has to be 221 newtons of force going the other way, which would be friction. And this is due to the fact that she's not budging. Now, if the newtons were more than 221 on this side, she would be pushing over her classmates. But if they are less than 221 newtons on this side, she would fall over. So it has to be balanced, and now we have to figure out how much force she can withstand, or how many people it would take to push her over if she was exerting a force of 300 newtons. So how we're going to do this is just basically divide it by 17 newtons, because each person is applying 17 newtons. And this gives us an answer of about 17.65. But since you can't have 0.65 of a person, we're just going to round this up to 18. So the answer is 18 people. It would take 18 people to push over Dylan because she's an absolute tank.
Yo, what's up, guys? It's Anthony. And today, I'm going to be solving problem number 3. So, to start out, we've got a tug of war contest going on. And we've got 10 boys and 6 girls. So we know that they're both pulling on both sides. So we'll have on the left side the force of the boys, and on the right the force of the girls. And we have a net force of 60 newtons going left towards the girls' side. And so we need to find the minimum force that the girls are pulling with in order to get this net force of 60 newtons. We know there are 10 boys and they're each pulling with 30 newtons of force. So 30 times 10 will get us to 300 newtons on the boys' side. And in order for the girls to have a net force of 60 newtons, we have to do some quick math. And we have the force of the girls minus the force of the boys equals the 60 newtons. So we can substitute the 300 newtons here into this equation, and then we can solve for F girls equaling 360 newtons of force there. So we have this 360 here, but we wanted to find the amount of force that each girl pulls with individually. So we have these 6 girls here, so we can divide our total of the girls' force divided by 6, and then we get 60 newtons of force per person. Thanks for checking out the Phys Bros. Alright, thanks guys. Thanks for checking out the Phys Bros. Let us know in the comments on how we did. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Yeah, just like he said, leave a like. Smash that like button.
Yeah.
Absolutely kill it. Get in there.
Smash the like button. Smash the like button.
Kill it. Make sure to follow us on Edmodo, Kahoot, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, all those guys. We like that positive and negative feedback, so drop some comments, let us know how we did. Maybe we got them wrong, who knows.
Thank you to all our fans. We love the Phys Bros.
Yeah,
Stay
check out
strong,
the
Phys
merch link.
Bros.
It should be popping up right here.
Yep, merch link right here. You see that? You see that?
Merch
Alright,
link.
Click on
right
it.
there.
Support us.
Like button.
Wait, hold on, it's not there yet. It's not there yet. Alright, it's not there yet. Now it's there.
Oh, yep. There,
Now
there we
it's
go.
right there, the link.
Smash it.